All right, today we're in this homeowner's basement looking at a few items here. That moisture from and around the chimney, most likely rain coming down the flue and then coming out down into the crawl space around the clean out door. That's very little concern in this case. Looking along the wall here, they've already got steel beams. The wall must have been pretty bowed because someone used the stress method and they drilled holes in the floor and they pushed the beam up against the wall to a point that the beam is actually curved so that it puts stress on the bowed wall. If you put the level here, you see how as you get to the top there's a little space because there's so much stress in the metal. And now we're here to look at this section of the basement wall. This is now the new problem area, and it probably really wasn't the new problem area. It probably was a problem the same time as this one, just nobody did anything about it. When we lay our level here across this crack, it's pretty obvious. Put your foot on that side. You've got almost an inch and a quarter of where this wall is breaking away from the rest of the foundation, because this, you can see the step cracks there where somebody repaired that with caulk, and somebody repaired this step crack with a different color of mortar. This middle section where the weight of the I-beam is pressing the house down is sinking. This whole wall is sinking and the floor is rotating backwards with it. This wall is more than just structural repair on the inside. This actually needs some deep foundation support, and that's where MudTech comes in and puts the helical piers in place. And then you strengthen the wall from the inside. But you gotta fix your footing first. House does come with a sweet bike, it looks like, though.